Hey guys, it's me, Amy, and I'm going to unbox this unboxing box. Let's get started.
What's your channel's name?
My channel?
Yeah.
Unbox with me, Amy-Leigh.
Where did we order these from?
This is the black blind box.
We ordered these
As you
from
can see,
Taobao.
that's just how I roll. I was practically waiting for this the whole week. I don't know what this is yet. This could be something.
So do you want to explain what we do? We order these mystery boxes from Taobao and then we get you to unbox them and review them.
Please,
right?
idea. Yes. Oh, a USB-C.
So it's obviously something that needs to charge, right? What is it? What is it?
Earbuds.
Those are cool. Take them out. Let's see.
Okay.
Oh, those are awesome.
Yeah.
How would you put them in your ears?
I don't know.
Let's try.
Damn. You just hook it?
Maybe. Yeah. Good. Yeah.
Like
Perfect.
that.
That's how you do it.
And then like that.
Those are so cool.
And then
Those are cool.
you take them out.
Let's see. What's the make of these? Those are so cool. I like the box. Which make is this? Let's see. It is... We're going to test them. Connect them to your phone just now.
Alrighty.
Oh, well, that's box number one.
I think there's more.
That's
here.
box number one. Those are actually pretty cool.
There's more boxes here.
But we don't know what's in them, eh? Because they are the mystery boxes. What do you think is in this one? What do you think is in this one?
Wow. What's
Show me, show me, show me. Show me the cover. Oh, that looks like a... Look at the photo.
a watch?
A watch.
Good. Oh. Watch straps.
Oh, there must be a watch in there somewhere.
Hang on a dizzle. What do I see here?
It is a watch. Daddy didn't have to buy you that expensive one.
Yeah.
Oh, fully recharge the watch before using it. Long press and on-off button.
Why is there only one strap?
No. Really? Look inside. Oh, no, there's the other one.
Oh.
There's two.
Sorry.
There's two. Oh. That's not bad.
Not bad at
Mystery
all.
boxes. I like this. Oh, let's hope there's $1 million in this one.
Mommy.
And this is a red one too, which means you can put a separate SIM card in. What's that? What is that? Bring it closer. A wireless fast charger. Oh, wow. And these all came in one mystery box.
Yep.
That's awesome. Let's see what that one looks like.
Just gonna show it like slowly.
Oh, that's awesome. And they all come with chargers.
Yep. like and subscribe.